Do not build a social media platform for followers and subscribers. And also, there is no magical platform that guarantees you a lot of money if you're not offering any value to your audience. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to build an audience and also how to use social media effectively to build your business or brand. We know in every business you have at least 4 levels that you have to follow so that you can be able to maximize your productivity and also generate maximum revenue. These are leads generation offers, we have customer ascension offers, we have customer retention offers, and we also have another one which is lead conversion. So you have to generate some people that you can communicate. You have to find a way to convert those people into clients. You have to find a way to onboard those clients into your business, and you also have to find a way to actually retain those clients with your offers and products. We have the fifth one, which is very important. Actually, these 4 principles, these 4 offers cannot sustain themselves without this one, and this is audience building. So audience building can be understood as, the way we look at an audience. An audience are people who are there to listen to the message that you're communicating to them. So you have to generate a pool of people who are going to deem you as a credible person, a credible business, a venture that they can actually trust and actually dedicate their time and attention. Because at every given time, people are not going to dedicate their resources on you. They first dedicate their attention based on how they like what you're telling them. If they like what you're telling them, then they can now start investing in what you're actually promising about your product or service. So social media is a great place for you to build an audience, and that's why this video is very important. If you are in business, you really need to focus more on building an audience on social media, because out of maybe 100 people that you get, can you imagine 100 people just walking on the street and talking to 100 people? It's like, just get 3 minutes, 1 minute for each 100 people that you're meeting in the street. That is an overwhelming task. But on social media, you have the ability to actually make a single video that can reach 1,000 people, and they will be able to watch you for 1 minute, meaning that you have the ability to communicate to them whatever product or service that you're offering, so that they can feel appealed and so that they can actually buy the service or product that you're offering to them. So audience building, audience generation is one way of actually getting leads, that you're going to convert them, that you're going to onboard them, and then you're going to actually retain them as customers, returning customers. That is if they actually like the product or service that you're offering. Different platforms for different purposes. Facebook is not the same as Twitter or X. Facebook is also different from LinkedIn. It's different from YouTube. So you need to understand the niche that you're building for each particular platform that you're actually posting the content to. When I look at Instagram, it's like an infomercial section. So you have to come up with short infomercial statements about your business, about the service that you're providing. People are just there to get, that energy. They have a lot of energy and reaction. They are just like, so you have to take advantage of that hype that they have in them so they can be able to promote your products to them. Facebook has Facebook groups, so it's an ideal platform for conversation. You can communicate and sponsor your messages, boost them so that you can be able to reach as many people as possible. So Facebook is ideal for advertisements. Facebook is ideal for communication in groups. It's ideal for building a community that can be able to test the services or products that you have. You can be able to have forums to discuss certain products that you're offering or services, right? So join as many groups as possible so that you can be able to spread whatever service or product that you have to as many people as possible. Because in those people, can you imagine showing up if somebody was looking for a certain product or service and they find you as the person who is actually making those products? How amazing an opportunity. That kind of a client is a unique person. Than you going to look for that particular client is not the same. Showing up on social media is essential. You need to always be there. When you're opening a physical shop, it is essential that you also open your online shop so that you can be able to be found. LinkedIn is different. If you want to talk to professionals, you want to talk to for different, maybe your business is actually offering consultancy services, maybe you're offering job promotions and those kind of things, and you're building careers for people like mindset coaching, those kind of things. So you have to also get an audience for that. You cannot take it on TikTok. TikTok is another platform that, you can have one person who has 1 million followers who has no value content, and that's why TikTok sometimes is not ideal for you to actually do a serious business. You can only do small scale, small kind of businesses that are there. So it's there for building a fan base so that people can have a buzz about whatever service or product that you have, but it's not an ideal place for you to generate more income from. TikTok is not that place. So building a community of professionals is ideal on LinkedIn, not TikTok, right? You cannot do that on TikTok. So different platforms have different tastes and people have different preferences. You cannot expect to get an infographic on TikTok, for example, or Snapchat. You cannot do that. But if you have that kind of time, YouTube is good for creating long format videos. People can spend time and watch. If it's a live session you're doing for your products, you're doing a live session, maybe you're doing live coverages of some launches, you can do that. Put it on YouTube, right? It is very essential. When you're building your social media platform, don't build it because you want to get more people. Build it because you want to be the best content creator so that you can be able to communicate your messages to your audience. Build it because you want to be improving on every single episode that you're posting online. Build it because you want to always provide value to your audience, not because you want to get more people. Getting more people getting more subscribers will automatically come. So in a nutshell, it's said Facebook is ideal for building an advertisement-based and conversational platform through Facebook groups. Instagram is ideal for impulsive buyers, people who want to just buy. So you can put your adverts there, ensure that you package them properly so that you can be able to sell to those impulsive buyers. Yeah, it's impulsive buyers. And then YouTube is good for creating long-term, long format video content. So these tools are very important. You need to always show yourself there, because when you keep showing yourself, then you're building credibility. Then you're building credibility for your audience to always come and find that you're there. And every time you come to provide value, come to communicate about a service that you're offering that is actually going to change people's lives, so that they can be able to come every single day to subscribe and like and share this kind of video. If you keep following these principles, then you're going to improve your business. You're going to actually build your audience properly. So ideally, you need to know that when you build an audience, then you are actually bringing the conversion rate to be high, because maybe you reached 1,000 people. That's 1,000 people, right? And you give them 1 minute video. That is 1,000 minutes. So 1,000 people gave you 1 minute of their time to sell a product. What can you do with that 1 minute?